What a dreary, rainy day. The temperatures have dropped. Not bad yet. It's just a little chilly. Maybe no, I won't even go that far. It's cool and raining. And we're going to take the coachman out today. We need to take a break. It's part break, part maybe a little bit of work. I want to keep things moving forward with the coachman. A couple of things I can do while we're out there. I don't have to be here to be productive with it. So yeah, it's this kind of weather that's, there's some leaves starting to change too. It's beginning. It's beginning. The leaves are yellows, reds. It's early on now. All right, we're gonna get out of here. Yeah, it would be nice to take the car along on this trip, but we're not quite ready. I got to put the brackets on the front of it. I think I have everything else. We'll be getting to that soon. It would be nice to have the car along. All right, you ready to go? We never did manage to go very far in the coachman this summer. We started to go on that one trip up towards New York, and we didn't get very far. That's when the transmission failed. So, and ever since, we just haven't gone anywhere in it really. Not very far anyway. So I've just thrown like 20 bucks in the tank here and there a couple times. But we're getting late enough in the season where it's gonna be time for a big trip, and I might as well stop and just go ahead and fill the tank up. I gotta have a quarter tank. I might as well just fill her up close enough. Whatever the gas prices are, I doubt they're gonna fluctuate very much anytime soon. So we'll just do it. Ouch, this is gonna hurt just a little bit. Here's Sunoco. It's usually the cheapest place in town by, a couple pennies or a nickel. And even here it's $3.95 a gallon. Yeah, Pennsylvania has expensive gas. Pennsylvania and New York's probably the most expensive in the Northeast. I can go to Ohio or West Virginia, and right away it's 50 cents a gallon cheaper. But I have to have enough gas to get there, so that's a good chunk of a tank. I seen you. I seen you. I know what you was doing. All right, we stopped. We got our gas and everything, and on the way out we stopped over here at the little neighborhood market. And Bella, she comes over here and watches for me, and it's funny to see her here at the door. You just see her head here at the corner, and this little bit of where she fogs the window up from breathing on it. It's just funny. Keeping an eye. Say, hurry up. When are you getting back out here? Let's go. What are you doing in there anyway? She's such a good dog. All right, we're gonna get off the road here. Okay, if you look closely, see the yellow? You see the yellows beginning? I don't know how well you can see it up in the dash cam. And over on that far hill, now that's gonna be a stretch. Just tell that even that like real vivid or that dark lush green you get in the spring and the summer, all those greens are beginning to fade, get a little paler, and then of course the ones that are actually turning a little bit more, they're getting so close. Yep. Well, it is officially fall now, so the leaves are right on time, ain't they? Yeah, starting to see them, ones that have dropped are along the road, in the woods. Yeah, here's some yellows. Oh boy. And here in this part of Pennsylvania anyway, we usually have our first frost and maybe even some snow flurries by the time it's Halloween. So that's not too far off. So the cold is not here yet, but it is getting cooler. Alright, enough of this, huh? Always waiting on me, huh? You're just always waiting. Oh, what a mess in there. Let's look away. You stay up. I'm almost done. We're just getting some water here. Yeah, already dumped the waste tanks and can fill the fresh water up, and we'll get going. Okay. Oh, good, the camcorder works again. I haven't used this in a while because I lost the charger for it, but it's nice when you want to zoom. Okay, see there? See that? See that? I just wish I was more steady with this camcorder. That's always been the case. Shaky, shaky. But I got a new device. Might help me out with that. And let's look. Here's some over here. Okay. Where? Oh, they're over here. And I never claimed to be any good for this dang camcorder. Right, where are they? There we go. Oh, there's some right across the street here too. Alright, there's some reds. It's begun. Alright, I think our water's about done. I hear it gurgling. Now I just gotta fill this 7-gallon container up. I'm gonna do a load of clothes. So that's about all my little washing machine holds is 7 gallons. That actually maybe only 6. So that'll get the wash load done. And then for the rinse load, I'll just pump it out of the fresh water tank. So I'll do a load of laundry. Is that better? We're moving again? Huh? Get down. You stay down. Sit. Good girl. There we go. There's some nice reds. Soon you look out through the woods and it will just be all color and falling to the ground, and they'll soon be all bare for the winter. And you'll be able to see well, very deep into the woods. Possibly out the other side. I said get down. Alright, you stay down. Let's fast forward a couple of days. Funny thing about getting to camp, get settled in, and forget about the camera. What camera? Let's just enjoy camp. Anyway, I really wish I could have brought the car. I have an appointment today, and so I gotta run to town and gotta break camp, take the coachman, and actually it's back towards the garage in that area, so I'm just gonna take the coachman to the garage, jump in the car, go do that, and I want to stop at a hardware store and a couple of things, but and go back, get the coachman, and come back out for a couple more days. So it'd be nice just to have the car along and run to town in it. But I think I have the you might notice, can you see we run into my buddy Russ again, my very good friend Russ. We were talking about getting the car hooked up, and the generator is really the only issue right now. It's on the back in that cargo rack. You know, I need to eliminate that so I can tow the car, and I think we've come up with a solution. Okay, now this will have to be on in another video, but that rack, I think we can actually get it into the existing generator bay. I was all about ready to pull the trigger on a little bit smaller generator that would fit in there easier, but I think we've thrown some ideas around. I think we come to a solution where I can actually put this generator in there. It'll save me from buying another generator. We'll get into that, but I think this is solved. We'll hook the car on the back, and we'll be able to travel with the car this season. Yeah, so we're warming the coachman up. I want to show you that gadget real quick too. Okay, there it is. Usually I just, you know, hold the camcorder in my hand, and that allows for some, it's just so susceptible to any wrist or hand movement. It kind of, that's why it jerks around. But being on this is gonna, this device just allows me to be more steady and pan around. I don't know why. It's the magic of it. Maybe it's just having the, just holding it differently, having the mass of that. But I think I can see how that's kind of going to be a more steady motion. So it's a magical device. Anyway, that should help. That should help out. So we'll try it out. It's not going to be perfect, all right, but I hope it helps. Okay. See here. I swear these are changing by the day. See, not perfect, but better. Let's have a look up here. See if the camera auto adjusts. It's there we go. So yeah, this could be a little bit better, a little smoother. All right. So back to, all right, I'm gonna run the time. I got to take care of some things today. We'll be back out here later today for the final days before the park for this closes for the season. And I gotta get back to work on these projects here. I gotta get ready to get out of here before the snow flies. All right, I'll see you later.